Hi friends, today's topic is whether investor must invest in mutual fund, in direct plan or a regular plan. Each mutual fund house gives two options. One is a direct plan and regular plan. In direct plan there may be further options like direct plan growth, direct plan dividend. Similarly, regular plan growth and regular plan dividend. Let us first understand what is the fundamental difference between these two. When investor goes directly to the fund house and invests directly without any intermediate distributor or advisor, it is known as direct plan. In such direct plan, the expense ratio charged by the mutual fund is lower than the regular plan, because in this case mutual fund do not have to pay any commission to brokers or distributor or advisors. Normally, the expense ratio is lower by 0.5 to 0.75% depending upon the fund houses. First, let us understand whether investors should go directly and invest in mutual fund or go through distributors. It has been observed that normally investors does some Google search and then find out who are the top ranking funds and invest in those funds. However, please note, top ranking fund category changes every year. Top ranking fund which were there in last year may not be in that category this year. Hence, if you are investing in a Sensex plan where each fund house has to invest in Sensex shares only, then the return from various fund house will not be much of a difference, and in such cases you can go to a direct plan also. But in case of large cap fund, mid cap fund or small cap fund, if you see the return given by various funds, the variation may be sometime more than 10% also. So if you see the return given by one fund house and another fund house, if the difference is more than 10%, that means you need to have some knowledge and expertise to select a proper fund, and also you need to spend regularly a time to understand the fund selected by you are correct over a period of time, else you need to make various changes. So if you got expertise, knowledge and time to do this, then you can go to direct plan. But if you do not have expertise, time, then it is better to invest through a distributor or investment advisor who has got sufficient knowledge and experience to select a proper fund. Because in regular fund you may be paying 0.5 or 0.75% extra towards expenses, but your return will be much higher if you are investing through a proper investment advisor or distributor. Hence friends, before taking a call on direct or regular plan, please do this study in detail and do not only go just to save 0.5 or 0.75% in expenses, but indirectly you may be earning much less than what you need to earn. Hence, make this study before you take a call on direct plan or a regular plan. This is Dinesh Haria signing off.